Hi, Math 2. So the last problem of this week's homework is on direct and inverse variation story problems. So we're going to be solving these very similar to how we wrote the equations on Tuesday and Wednesday's homework. So the amount of money spent at a gas station varies directly with the number of gallons purchased. So we know that we're working with varies directly here. So when 11.5 gallons of gas were purchased, the cost is going to be $37.72. How much would 8 gallons cost? So we first need to identify our variables, and so we need an x and we need a y. So we're going to let x be gallons and y be cost, because the number of gallons affects the cost of the gas. And so we know that our direct variation equation is y equals k times x. So we do need to solve for k. So I know that we have 1 point, 11.5 gallons is $37.72. So this is my x and my y, and I'm going to plug them in this equation and solve for k. So y is $37.72. I have an unknown k value, but I know my x is 11.5. And to solve for k, we're just going to divide by 11.5 on both sides. And we get that k is 3.28. That means that we are basically spending $3.28 per gallon of gas. So if I want to know how much 8 gallons cost, remember gallons is x, so I would have the 0.8, and then I want to know the cost. I want to know my y value. So I'm going to just rewrite my equation, my direct variation equation, as y equals 3.28, the k value that we just found, times x. Now I know that x in my next part is going to be 8. So to find my y value, I'm just going to take 3.28 and times it by 8. So I'm going to take the $3.28 it costs per gallon, times it by the 8 gallons I want to buy, and I get that y, or the cost, is going to be 26.24. So my y value is 26.24, and that's how much 8 gallons of gas would cost.